Exploring A to Z with cool vehicles. Let's start it.
A is for airplane. B is for bus. C is for car. D is for dump truck. E is for excavator. F is for food truck. G is for garbage truck. H is for helicopter. I is for ice cream truck. J is for jeep. K is for kid car. L is for limo. M is for motorcycle. N is for Nova bus. O is for oil truck. P is for police car. Q is for quad bike. R is for rocket. S is for school bus. T is for train. U is for unicycle. V is for van. W is for wagon. X is for X-ray truck. Y is for yard truck. Z is for zeppelin. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe to Eaglets Club.